fortunately, 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 fortunately. So I've broken down fortunately into 4 syllables. And if you pronounce them as separate sections, so fortunately, you will be able to piece this word together and come up with a comprehensive spoken word for fortunately. And if you're not familiar with what this word means, it means that luckily or happily, that it is a good thing that happened. So, fortunately, I did not fall off a cliff. That means I feel so blessed I did not fall off a cliff and get injured or pass away. So anyway, that is how you pronounce fortunately. In the next lessons, we're going to have a look at the words luckily and happily. Hurrah!